Hey guys, I'm super excited to bring you a new Valentine DIY today. So if you like crafting, DIYs, and all things on a budget, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. As always, thanks to my current subscribers for your continued support, and I finally hit the 1,000 subscriber mark thanks to all you guys. So let's get right to the DIY. I'll begin with this decor piece from Dollar Tree. I've had it for quite a while, and what I'm going to do is peel the paper off. There is like a thin sheet of plastic in some areas and the paper, because once you paint it, if that paper's on there, it's just going to wrinkle up and come off. So I did end up having to wet it a little bit at the end and rub it off that way. And as you can see, it did come off. You just need to use a little water. I didn't take it off the sides. It didn't seem like it was paper. I'm not really sure. But I am going to use the Rust-Oleum chalk paint in white, and I'll give the front 2 coats and the sides 1 coat. Of course, here we go, and I've lost footage again, but I did just cut out some stencils using just regular paper and drew those on. Then I used paint pens for the red hearts and the X's, and I took a white paint pen and just put little dots on the hearts. I also made one of the wood bead tassels, and I used some red paint to paint some of the beads, and the others I left them natural. And I'm going to string them on this string now. I will be making a tassel for one end and a little wood heart for the other end. So there are the red beads that I painted. And now I'll just put these beads on, and I'll alternate between a natural bead and a red bead. I will make a tassel for one end and then the little wood heart for the other end, so I will just let you watch. And here's what we have so far. I'm so sorry I wasn't recording, but I did make this little white tassel, and it's not perfect. It's actually my very first one. So I'm going to take this gingham ribbon and just wrap it around right here. I'll also wrap the gingham around the sides of the box with the XOXO on it, and I'll be adding that little wood heart over there to the other end of the wood bead tassel. And right here I'm going to fill in love that is imprinted on this heart with a red marker. I'll then trace around it with a black marker and go around the edges of the heart with a black marker as well. And now I'll just put the wood heart on and secure it with a knot. I'll put the gingham around the little box and then I will display it for you. And here's what we have. I think this is turning out really cute, so stay tuned and I'll display it for you in another area. Okay, so here it is. I think this turned out just absolutely adorable. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for all your support, and thank you so much for helping me hit 1,000 subscribers. And remember, if you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you join my family. Till next time, guys, have a great day, and I will see you in my next video.